Hello, I'm Steve from Stephen Lee Art. Today I'll show you how to make an animal fur effect. Using the blunt end of a sewing needle, here I'm using spare paper, taking care not to pierce the surface. Next, you can use a pencil of medium softness. Here I'm using a 2B to shade over the indented area. If I shade over a non-indented area, the graphite covers the paper smoothly, so there's no fur effect. You can see the difference between this and the indent. Now try indenting the area that you want to do the fur on your artwork. Remember to indent in the direction of the fur. Now some dark shading. This is around the indented area, not on it. As you shade over the indented area with a fairly dark pencil, the indents remain white, giving the fur effect. Not all of the picture is indented with fur effect. Here there's a block of black shade. The dark block of the stripe is made with an 8B, but as we're blending around the edges of the stripe with a 6B and then a 4B, the fur begins to blend in with the rest of the picture. And that's how to make a fur effect with animal sketching.